Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and budget-savvy viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down practical tips to help you live your best life without breaking the bank. Today's video is all about how to get a free YMCA membership in 2025. If you're tired of pricey gym fees and want access to top-notch facilities like pools, gyms, and classes, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, what's the deal with YMCA memberships? The YMCA, or Young Men's Christian Association, offers community-focused programs that promote health and wellness. In 2025, they're expanding their free membership initiatives to make fitness more accessible. The key is understanding their financial assistance programs, which are designed for those who qualify based on income, family size, or other factors. According to recent updates, many YMCA branches are prioritizing inclusivity, so if you're a student, senior, or low-income individual, this could be perfect for you. So, how do you get started? Step 1. Visit the official YMCA website or your local branch's page. Look for the Financial Assistance, or Scholarship, section. It's usually easy to find. You'll need to fill out an application form, providing details like your household income, expenses, and sometimes proof of residency. Step 2. Gather your documents. This might include pay stubs, tax returns, or identification. Don't worry, it's straightforward and private. Once submitted, approvals can take a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on your location. In 2025, keep an eye out for new partnerships. Some YMCAs are teaming up with schools, employers, or government programs for additional free access. For example, if you're a teacher or part of a community service program, you might qualify automatically. Finally, once approved, enjoy your free membership. Use it to join fitness classes, swim laps, or even participate in family events. Remember, these programs encourage regular participation, so make the most of it to stay healthy and motivated. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay active, and we'll see you in the next video.